What's poppin', all stars? Welcome back to my channel. It's DAMNSHEJAMAICAN, your biggest and brightest shining star. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Mars in Leo. Okay, so basically Mars in Leo, this is not if you are a Leo zodiac sign. This video is not about that. This is if you have your Mars sign in Leo. If you have a Leo zodiac sign, that means you have your sun sign in Leo. So basically, to find out each planet's sun sign, you need to go to Cafe Astrology and find out your whole birth chart and find out what sign your Mars is in, and come back to the series and see if you have Mars in Leo. Alright, so for the people that know for a fact they have Mars in Leo or is snooping on this sign, basically Mars does pretty good in this placement. This is a very neutral placement for Mars. So Mars is the planet of passion, vitality, energy, getting things done, having goals, ambition, drive, sex drive. Is all about masculinity. It's about your Martian-like nature. It's how you go about getting things done. So the planet Mars is also in the birth chart. It represents for a female the type of guy she's attracted to. Could be sexually, you know, just like what traits in a guy. Also, Mars represents her sex drive, how she likes it in bed. And for a guy, it means how he goes about being a boss, you know, how he goes about exuding his masculine energy. Like, how's he ambitious? How does he handle confrontation? How does he handle all things that has to do with masculine, very strong, dominant energy? How does he go about work, you know? So, and how does he go about sex and working out and all stuff like that? So that's what Mars represents for both men and women in the birth chart. And being in the sign of Leo, it's able to carry out these traits very well. So these people, they just have like this drive to be great, you know. They want to be a star, okay? And they have all the ambition, the motivation in life to go out and go get that, you know. These people have big dreams. You know, these are your artists, these are your performers, these are people that like being the center of attention. These are the people that strive to be the center of attention, even just on day-to-day, everyday life. Like, they want people to see them, you know. They want people to recognize them for who they are, their traits, their gifts, their talents, their skills, what they offer, what they bring to the table. You know, these people are goal-oriented. These people are very passionate people. Whatever they're passionate about, they have a lot of energy to get it done, and they like to do a very good job at what they do. They put a lot of energy into making themselves very admirable. You know, people admire these people, and they love feeling like that. They love feeling like people admire them, and they love putting themselves in a position where people admire them. So Mars in Leo people definitely have a lot of drive. These are very sexual people. These people are very creative. They're very playful people. These people love to play games in the literal term, and like, they play too many games. Like, these people have a need and a pride about them. Like, they need to like have people, they need for their ego to be boosted all the time. And they could have like real high self-esteem, or just appear that they have real high self-esteem. You know, they like for people to give them compliments and flattery. You know, these people are very flamboyant people. They're just like, their Mars energy is just out there. Like, it's like you see them coming, and you know, like, these people are very passionate. So when they go after something, like, they going after it, like, and you know they're going to get whatever it is that they want to get. And that's just the type of energy they have. That's also how it is for, you know, guys that have this placement. You know, They could be very creative and romantic about how they go about getting a girl. You know what I'm saying? These are the guys that buy flowers, maybe not all not all, but they're very romantic, and they like for them, sex in the bedroom, they like for it to be very playful, very romantic, very like movie like type of sex, you know, a lot of loving, a lot of passion, you know. They like for it to be real, like y'all gotta be into it. Like it can't be boring for these people. If you have boring sex, baby, no, this is not the placement for you to be dealing with, because yeah, nah, they'll never call you back. Their ego seems to be tied up with like the things they do. So Mars is about doing things, going after what you want, you know, having goals and being able to conquer them and see them come to fruition. So it's like these people, they have to have goals that they go after, and they have to win. And if they don't, or if they say they was gonna do something and it don't happen the way they want, it's like their whole like pride and ego could just like go, like they'll feel real bad about themselves. Like it would just go, like they'll feel real bad about themselves. Like they always need to have like a good light. They always want people to look at them in a good light. Like they're generous, they're loving, they're giving, they're warm-hearted, they're playful, they're fun, they're with the shit. Like this is what Mars in Leo likes. And it's like sometimes could become very competitive, could have a lot of energy, and just use that to be creative, you know, whatever art, music, whatever art you do, you know, you use all your energy to get it done. And you can yeah, this placement has a lot of energy. It's fire, so the thing about it is that it's a fixed fire, so a lot of your energy stays, and it's like your flame is always lit, you know. You always got energy to go out and accomplish what you want. And a lot of people could get intimidated by that, and you know, it makes for you to be a good competitor, because you know how to stay and stick with something for the long haul. So that's pretty good. You guys are definitely very into sex. Like I said, you're very sexual people. Some of you may even like having sex like in a car, or just like random like places where it's kind of like taboo a little bit. Not all, but some definitely. You know, you're just fun and playful, and you don't really take things too seriously, but when it comes to the things that you want, you definitely take that seriously. These are the type of people, they want their lovers to like be loyal to them, like admire them, be loyal to them, want to be around them, just, you know, very nice to them. Like they want to be treated like a king or a queen, you know. And women with this placement like men that are leaders, like men that can go out and be about something, get something done. They probably like creative guys that are very romantic, know how to be passionate and express their feelings, you know, about what they like. You know, these are the type of women that just like guys that are fun to be around. So Mars also deals with your physical body and like how you are. So you could have like an athletic build because you have a lot of energy, you know. Definitely not the same for everybody. I know maybe if your Mars is afflicted with this placement, you can have heart problems because you generate so much energy. You can have like an overactive heart, you know. So that's one thing to keep into consideration. Alright, that's pretty much what I have for this video. Make sure that you go ahead and comment down below to let me know about this placement if you have it, any other information you have about it. If you stayed to the end of the video but you ain't really got much to say, go ahead and spam me star emojis so I know that you stayed to the end of the video and that you really fuck with me. And also don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time seeing my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. Mwah. Peace.